Welcome to Literature Preps. So today we are looking on this question. It's BECE question 2024 under mathematics. Okay, and we are to copy and complete the 3x3 magic square such that the sum of the numbers in each row, column, and the diagonal is equal to 21. It's equal to 21. And there's a magic box or magic square. Good. So with this, it means that the question is trying to tell us the diagonal. So this is a diagonal. This is also a diagonal. When we sum this up, it should give us 21. When we sum this diagonal to, it should give us 21. When you take this column and you add, it should give us 21. Same as this, same as this. And when you take the row, it also give us 21. Okay, like that. Good. So let's solve it. I'm trying to draw it again so that I will use it as a rough work. Okay, so here was 10, 3, 7. So this question, as I have explained already, we have to indicate or place in variables for the numbers that we don't know. Okay, since they are all addition, we have to represent the numbers that we don't know with a certain variable. So we can say that here should be A, B, C, E, F, okay, then G. Okay, I know I've missed D, but no problem, it's still the same. Okay, so in this case, let's start from the first row. We have 10 plus 3 plus A, and we say that it should be equal to 21. So let's say equation 1. By this, we can solve it straight away. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Plus A is equal to 21. Okay. We try to make A the subject. So it's going to be A is equal to 21 minus 13. Okay. And 21 minus 13 is 8. So it means that A is 8. Okay, let's see, verify and see if it is correct. So you get 13 plus 3 plus 8. So 10 plus 3 is what? 13 plus 8, 21. So it means we are correct. Now, we can decide to take B plus 7 plus C, but in this case, we are going to get equation. We are going to end in getting simultaneous equation. So let's take the first leading diagonal, which is 10 plus 7 plus G, so that we can get our G. We are going to get 10 plus 7 plus G is equal to 21. So we get 17 plus G is equal to 21. Let's continue from here. So we make G the subject, which is 21 minus 17. Okay, and 21 minus 17, we are getting 4. Okay, so our G is equal to 4. Okay, so we had G to be 4, so G is 4, and you can see 10 plus 7 is 17 plus 4, 21. So it means we are correct. Okay, so we are done with this and this. Let's take E plus 7 plus A. Okay, so we have E plus 7 plus A should be equal to 21. But don't forget, A is equal to 8. We had it to be 8. So it's going to be E plus 7 plus 8, which is 21. So E plus 7 plus 8, we get 15, which is equal to 21. So E is equal to 21 minus 15. And we had E to be. So 21 minus 15 is, so we had E to be 6. So here will be 6. Now we are done with this side too. Like this. We had 10 here. We have B, then E, of which we know the E. So let's tackle this side. So we have 10 plus B plus E should be equal to 21. So we know E to be 6. So we are going to get 10 plus B plus 6 is equal to 21. Right? Then it will be 10 plus 6, which is 16 plus B is equal to 21. So B is equal to 21 minus 16. Okay? 21 minus 16. So we had B to be 5. So let's put B to be 5 there. So we had B, E, A, G. So it's left with F and C. So let's go for F. We can make it 3 plus 7 plus F to be equal to 21. 3 plus 7 is 10 plus F is equal to 21. So F is equal to 21 minus 10, and it's 11. So here is 11. It's left with the last one, which is C. So we can take it like this or this. So let's take it this. So we have B plus 7 plus C is equal to 21. We know B to be 5. So it will be 7 plus 5 plus C is 21. And 7 plus 5, we have 12. So we are going to get 12 plus C is equal to 21. So our C is going to be 21 minus 12. You get it? So 21 minus 12 to be 9. So C is 9. So it means that our magic box, it will be 10, 3, 8, 5, 9. We have 6 here, 11, and then 4. Okay, so when we sum up everything, the diagonals we get. So you can verify that yourself. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye bye.